Hello docs, I'm Dr. Vivek, co-founder ISHR. This video is for plastic surgeons and dermatologists who are interested in setting up or starting their hair transplant division or hair transplant practice, or hospitals who would like to add a hair transplant division into their existing setup, or BSc nursing, SOT technicians, qualified, registered, who want to become hair transplant technicians to help plastic surgeons and dermatologists during the hair restoration surgeries. Dear docs, alopecia is a big issue now. It's a pandemic. Previously, people used to lose hair, become bald at the age of 50s. Then it became 40s, 30s, now 20s. Even teenage guys losing hair. So it's a significant pandemic, and highly skilled surgeons and dermatologists are required across the globe with their team of techs to offer these services because 20 to 35-year-old guy is very much psychologically affected because of the hair loss and the alopecia because he's still young. After 40, 50, it's a different game altogether. So now, unfortunately, it's a commercial branch. People don't discuss and do not share much of it. So you definitely, before you start your own practice, you definitely have to work with us or our team or any other team before you actually do the surgeries because there are some intricacies in it because 7 to 8 hour surgery. So local anesthesia is given. So 7 hours local anesthesia, not a simple job. So you got to have safety factors. Then quality factors. What happens, doctor, is the grafts which are taken, journey of hair graft from back of the scalp to the front is critical. There's so many steps. The graft should not die, it should not become dry, it should not get damaged. The depth should be perfect, the angle should be perfect, the curl should be perfect, the natural hairline, the soft hair, the zigzag macro irregularities, 10-15 degree hair, 5 degree hair. Female hair transplant is totally different, their angle direction different. Hair transplant also used for scar, eyebrows, beard, also for the scars wherever the hairs are available, burns and scars. So it's a very, very important science, and luckily it's not a very rocket science surgery. It requires patience, it requires time. Now, even if sometime you may think I have no time, no problem, doctor. You can have junior doctors with you, technicians with you, and you do the major part. A surgeon is supposed to make the slits, give the local anesthesia, design the hairline, and punch the grafts. After the slits are made, the junior doctors or the technicians can implant the graft and do the dressing and do the follow-ups. Okay, so effectively in 7 8 hours surgery, your work is around 3 hours, and even if you're supervising, you can do two, three, four surgeries. So don't think that it's going to consume a lot of time. We will guide you how you can save time. So before you enter into the field of hair restoration, please be with your senior or some expertise people or people like ISHR or other people who are offering training services, because under the supervision of the senior doctors, safety factors, quality factors have to be taken care of. Okay, because once if your name is gone, you do without training, you do hair transplantation. All the way in the digital world, some bad cases of yours will be there and your career will be spoiled. And compared to the other plastic surgeries, liposuction, breast implant, rhinoplasty, facelifts, and all, it has got more complications. A number of patients asking for those services, nothing compared to the alopecia. Similarly, dermatology, everybody is doing Botox, fillers, threads, lips, skin resurfacing lasers. It's there everywhere. But hair transplant, not every all the dermatologists are able to do. So entry barrier should be a little bit more. So what we suggest to you is spend some good time, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or at least 15 days. And if you have no time, at least 3, 4, 5 days. So how we can help is anywhere in the world, come to us at Mumbai. At present, gradually we're going to have centers all over the world. So come to us at Mumbai for 1 week, 2 week, 3 or 4 weeks, or few months, depends on your time required. Under supervision of our team, get exposed to the whole surgery, understand the safety, quality, and other factors of the surgery. Also, we are mentor for your business. How do even if you're the best of surgeon, people should know that you exist in this digital world. This videos, influencers, celebrity management, it's so important. So we're going to tell you where to source all the equipments. Okay, how to set up your hair transplant center, how to get the technicians and that staff, what are the legalities in different countries, who can do, who cannot do. Okay, the how to beat the competition, how to project yourself as one of the best, plus how to get the best. See, we are traveling world over. How to get the best protocols for you. What is instant FUE? What is semi-conical blades? What is sapphire FUE? What are keep implanters? So, there are a lot of things. What is intralipid as an antidote to local anesthesia? So there are so many intricacies. Now you should start with the online training program with us. So if you're coming maybe 2, 3, 6 months later to us, we'll send you lectures to read the latest protocols. We're going to have telephonic lectures one-on-one. So even before you come to us, you should wear magnification, you should have papaya, you should make slits, practice implanting the grafts. So by the time you come to us, the hand-eye coordination is much better. So you're not fresher when you come to us. Then even we're going to have video calls or audio calls. So even before you come to us, you should start watching people's hair. Person with full head of hair with different grades of baldness. You should watch the angle of exits of the hair from the frontal scalp, mid scalp, crown, temples, beard, eyebrows. So you should get used to watching a lot of hairs, female hair patterns. So before you come to us, you will be automatically will be guide you how to start treating hair loss with PRPs, PRF, GFCs, plasma lysis, mesotherapies, and whatnot. So a new technique we are introducing, it's called cell FUE, fat hair transplant. These are newer techniques introducing biotechnology into the field of hair restoration, because donor is always short. You don't want marks at the back. So a lot of new things are happening. So we will be discussing that. So if you want to know more about hair restoration training, you can WhatsApp. One of my doctors will attend to you, give you the curriculum, the faculty details, the available dates. We do not take too many doctors, just two, three doctors at a time, because they need personal attention. All the doubts have to be cleared. We are not doing in 2020 batches. So there will be a small fee that is important to give you the good service. But be in touch with my doctors. They will guide you thoroughly about the visa processes, the staying options. Okay. So from 1 week to 1 month to 3 months to 6 months, we have different fellowship programs only for the qualified doctors and who are eligible to do hair transplant in different countries. We very well know about it and we'll guide you about the legalities also. Okay, doctors, all the best. To know more, please WhatsApp to my doctor below.